Sean here from TrackPads Australia by Complant. Just going to go through a little bit of a basic way to work out what sort of tracks you might need for your different machines. So all our tracks have a stamping on the outside edge of the track on both tracks, and it'll just be a series of numbers. So you'll have your width, the pitch of the roller and your sprocket, and they will have the number of links that you have, which will give you the length. So that's just a basic idea. There are a wide and narrow guide situation that you can do. So within the center of the track, so there's two ways you can check. There is a rectangle for a wide guided track, just where your track rollers go, just to keep the track moving in the right direction. If it's a square, it's a narrow. So it's just the way that the guide rollers work. Another easy way to work out whether or not you have a wide or a narrow guided track, on your drive sprocket, if it's between 25 and 30 millimeters, then that will be a narrow guided track. If it's over 30 millimeters, it will be a wide guided track. We do dingoes, we do skid steer, we do dumpers, all that sort of stuff. Anything that's got a track on it, give us a call at TrackPads Australia, and we're more than happy to help you out.